In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the missing Microsoft Teams add-in in Outlook. This tutorial will guide you through the steps necessary to seamlessly access Microsoft Teams within your Outlook platform, ensuring that collaboration and communication are just a few clicks away. To begin, we need to access the Microsoft Outlook page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the Outlook website. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click that sign in button and you'll be directed to a page where you can enter your login details. Make sure to enter your credentials carefully to avoid any access issues. After you've filled in the necessary login information, click the Next button to proceed. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Outlook dashboard. This is your central hub for emails and scheduling, but it's so much more dynamic than that. If you're using the new Outlook 365, you'll be pleased to know that Microsoft Teams is now integrated directly into Outlook. This integration is designed to streamline your workflow, allowing you to switch between emails and virtual meetings effortlessly. Let me show you just how easy it is to access Microsoft Teams from your Outlook. Focus your attention on the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll find multiple icons there, but what you're looking for specifically is the Teams icon. It might be a bit tucked in with other options, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout to ensure you find it easily next time. Clicking on the Teams icon will automatically redirect you to the Microsoft Teams interface. No need for additional software installations or tedious navigation steps. This integration is designed to reduce the time and effort spent on switching between platforms, enabling you to maintain your focus on what truly matters, your work and communication. Remember, this process takes advantage of the built-in features of Outlook 365, simplifying access to Microsoft Teams directly from your email hub. For those who rely heavily on both email and team collaboration tools, this connection is invaluable. It not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that staying connected with your colleagues is as smooth as possible. In summary, by simply logging into Outlook and accessing the Teams icon on your dashboard, you can effortlessly switch between emails and team collaborations. This integration reflects Microsoft's commitment to creating a seamless working environment for its users. So, next time you're in Outlook, take a moment to explore and utilize these integrated features and experience a streamlined communication process like never before. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay productive.